Thanks for visiting www.luscombemotors.co.uk, and we're proud to present this lovely Mini Cooper Countryman, finished in royal grey. It's got front fog lights on there, it's got your front LED daytime running lights. I've been around the bodywork, and the bodywork's in absolute cracking condition. It is the 4-wheel drive version, and all the alloy wheels and tyres are in great condition as well for you. With being the Countryman, you've got your roof bars as standard. You've also got your parking sensors there as well to make it a bit easier for you to park. And you've got quite a substantial boot, which comes in 2 bits as well, so you've got that underneath as well for you. Inside the back of the car, you've got your leather seat pads with your fabric bolsters, and they're all in great condition for you as well. And you've got quite a bit of room in the back for your back seat passengers. It's keyless entry. You've got a little button here for the keyless entry on it, make it easier for you getting in and out. You've got 4 electric windows, which is all operated through your driver's door. Your lights are on the side there. On your steering wheel, you've got your media control. You've also got your cruise control and speed limiter. In the centre, you've got your screen, and it's all worked through this joystick down here. So you have your radio, your multimedia, you've got your telephone, you've got your contacts, you've got Mini Connect on it as well. Any vehicle information. So you can look at the vehicle status. So it'll show you that the engine level is fine. Service requirements, so that's all been ticked, so it's all in decent condition for you. And it tells you when the next vehicle checks. Your next vehicle checks, that's your MOT, is not due until the 2nd, 2025. Engine oil, February next year. And brake fluid, February next year. You've also got your tyre pressure monitors on here as well for you. You can go through, you can change how the car drives as well, so you can show you how it is on there. You've got a button that changes it to your green mode, which has got a bit lower level consumption. You've got your stop start button down here, you've got your climate control just above it. Heated seats, so your 2 front seats are heated, and then you've got your automatic gearbox here as well. Your little trigger, just pull it and it'll pull it in position for you. And then you've got your electronic handbrake. So there'll be a tour on our car. With the servicing, the service is all up to date. We will put a fresh service on the car for you, and we'll also put a fresh MOT in the car as well. The MOT will come with no advisories, so you know for the next 12 months that you've got no issues with the car whatsoever. Once you're on our website, please take a look at the technician's appraisal video. I'll go a bit more in depth on the technical side. I'll show you underneath the car, I'll show you the brakes, condition of the tyres, condition of the battery, etc. Just so you know, when you get the car, it's going to be in tip-top condition. If you have any questions, please contact my team at Luscombe Suzuki Leeds. And thank you very much for taking time to look at the video, and we hope to speak to you soon.